Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix update KB5095093 failed to install on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're seeing the Windows update KB5095093 failed to install on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, usually you'll find this error on your Windows 11. So for that, the first method is you just need to open your Chrome browser or any other browser, then type your Windows catalog. Windows Update Catalog. Just hit enter. Just click on this first link, which is from Microsoft. Here you need to type that error, what you are seeing, KB509 5093. Then click on search. If you find any other file, just click on that file to download. You need to download that file as per your system requirement. Click on the search, then type here about. You'll see here about your PC. Click on this. Here you will find your system details. You need to download that Windows Update Catalog file as per your system configuration. After downloading, just install that file and restart your PC. After restarting, check your issue has been resolved or not. Still it is not working, then click on the start, then type your recovery. Click on this recovery option. You'll see here advanced option. You have to just click on reset now. You need to find any Windows USB or DVD. If you have any Windows USB or DVD, you just need to insert in your laptop or desktop and try this option. If this option is also not working, then you just need to click on the services. Click on the services. Here you need to modify some of the services. The first one is Windows Update. Just press W key, then find Windows Update. Double click on that. Select startup type as automatic. Click on start, then click on OK. After that, the second service is background intelligent transfer. Double click on that. Click on as automatic. Click on start. Click on apply. Then click OK. The third service is app readiness. You can see app readiness. Double click on that. Click on start. Automatic. Click on start. Apply. OK. The fourth one is cryptographies. You can see cryptographic services. Double click on that. Select as automatic. Click on start. Apply. OK. After doing this, just close your PC and restart your computer or laptop. After doing this, then try to update your Windows. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix update KB5095093 failed to install on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.